Hello everyone, in this week's video I'm going to show you how to put different coloured leaves onto your tree. So first of all, get your tree exactly how you want it. As you can see here, I've mounted mine on a stone and I've done all the trunk and the branches, and what you want to do is just leave roughly about an inch of wire at the end of each branch so that you can twist around your different coloured wire. What I've got here is just a 50cm strip of wire, and I'll be using 25 centimeters of it as my leaf. So what you want to do is bend it in half like this, and then you want to grab one of your wires from your tree and just simply twist it round your different colour. Do it as tight as you possibly can, that way it's as secure as can be and it's not going to snap off or anything when you're actually doing the tree, or if you're shipping it to a customer, for instance. The reason I did it in half is because I've got mostly on this tree 2 wires coming off each branch, and it just means that you don't have to separate each and every leaf. You can have it like this and just keep twisting it again. Just roughly 5 or 6 turns is fine. Then get your wire cutters and then just snip off your extra piece of your branch that you no longer need. And now I have wires here that I can just twist up whatever style of leaf I want. Alternatively to that, if you've not done a pair of 2 and you've got, say, one on its own, let's say this one over here is completely on its own, I'll take the 50cm strip here and I'll just cut it down the middle. That way I can make sure that all of my leaves are going to be roughly the same length and shape. This time just leave it a little bit extra at the bottom just so you can hold on to it, if you can see that. And again, as tight as you possibly can go. Move your other wires out the way if need be. Just twist those up as tight as possible, and then again cut any additional wires off. So I've got a bit of brown there and a bit of green over here. Now I've got additional wires, and I continue going all the way through your tree until you've got all of your wires for your leaves on the tree, and then you can start twisting it up as however you want to. Okay, so that's it for this week's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it very informative. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, drop me a like if you do, and please leave me a comment. Thanks very much.